Hey, it's Nick from the Z Squad. We are partnered with Science World. We're down here to reward Sheila and her daughter, who won $11,750 for guessing ZFX. So we're going to present this check to her today.
But it is $11,750.
Okay, well, I'm gonna be honest here. I didn't have a guess, but my daughter is like, Mom, can you call in and try and win this? I think I know.
Where's Sheila? Sheila, are you Sheila? Oh my God.
This is the sound.
She thinks it's opening a milk carton.
I have to tell you, your daughter just won you $11,750.
No! Really?
I'm not joking. I promise you.
Oh my God, are you kidding me?
I promise you, I'm not joking.
Sherry! Oh my God, are you kidding me?
No, I'm not.
Oh my God.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
I thought Vanessa was like pulling our leg or something, but that's the sound of a milk carton opening. That's crazy.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
That's like a sound that most of us hear like.
Go home and hug my kid. Oh my God.
My eyebrows are sweating from all this excitement.